Honorable President of today's program, distinguished guests, esteemed ulama, highly qualified teachers, and dear all, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It gives me immense pleasure to be a part of this auspicious program, and really it gives me immense pleasure to speak few words among these dignitaries and highly qualified scholars. Here, I have been assigned to shed some light briefly on the activities of Markazul Ma'arif Education and Research Center, Mumbai. Dear friends, Markazul Ma'arif Education and Research Center, Mumbai is a well-known institute of India. It has the honor to be a first institute of its kind in the world. Apart from other activities, MMERC is a well-known institute for providing ulama and muftis with modern education. Apprehending the growing need and dire need of English language for ulama and muftis and increasing gap between ulama and modern educated people, the President of Markazul Ma'arif Education and Research Center, Hazrat Maulana Adduddin Ajmal Al-Qasmi Sahab, felt it essential that ulama should be equipped with modern education and modern sciences to bridge the gap between them. To materialize his dream, he stepped up and established Markazul Ma'arif in 1994 in Delhi, which now has been shifted to Mumbai. It was his desire that ulama should meet the modern need and play a greater influential role in the society. After 25 years long journey of MMERC, today we can proudly say that MMERC is successfully rendering service and offering its best part for bringing the changes in the society. Of course, MMERC has touched its goal in different fields with different forms. And now, MMERC is being considered as a torchbearer for training ulama and muftis in full Islamic culture for the modern world. Alhamdulillah, so far, hundreds of ulama and muftis have graduated from MMERC and have done 2-year diploma course in English language. Dear friends, today, graduates of MMERC are playing important role in the society, being HODs, scholars, teachers, principals of different schools, as well as lecturers, professors in different universities and colleges of the country. Even dozens of MMERC graduates are offering their best parts in different countries of Europe, America and America. Dear friends, looking at the initiative of MMERC, dozens of institutes and organizations have begun the same course in the country. And today we are fortunate to say that about 9 institutes are affiliated with MMERC and offering the same course in the same area. Dear friends, it is to be noted that MMERC does not only provide a 2-year diploma course in English language and literature. Rather, it has been offering different short-term seasonal courses for the common people and school, colleges, going students, imams, Muslim teachers. In the last few years, this course has been launched different times. Among them, the famous course is short-term English learning course for 3 months. In the few years, this course has been launched and many people have distilled sherbet from this resourceful tree. However, it was limited. A large number of people were not able to access this course. But fortunately, last year when the corona pandemic took the whole world under its tragic grip, the fast-moving world stood still. Everyone was pushed indoors for several days. At that crucial moment, MMERC took the revolutionary step and started online short-term English learning course for the madrasa graduates. Believe me, it was taken hand to hand, and these people have considered it as an expected opportunity. In short span of time, hundreds of ulama, scholars, teachers of Quran and Hadith, principals of madrasas, schools, imams and muezzins have joined from across the country and have taken part in this course and benefited from it. Not only that, the book designed for this course was also included in the syllabus of many madrasas and institutes. So we can say that this pandemic has opened the great door and opened the great door for the great good and benefit at large. Along with this cell course, MMRC also initiated Advanced English Conversation course for those who have completed cell course or have a good knowledge of English tenses. We are certain if someone has completed both of these courses, he will be able to express his mind and heart in every walk of life. It is to be noted that cell course was designed for ulama and muftis, imams and muezzins, but it is equally beneficial for both madrasa and school colleges going students and teachers as well. As we have seen in the last few years, many students and teachers have joined this course and benefited from it. And you know, after a short break, MMRC again launched this same course and opened the floor for everyone. Now, I shall speak about this prestigious institute. It was the honor for Markazul Ma'arif to render its service to this esteemed institute, as it has given us the opportunity to train these lowly teachers. And Alhamdulillah, today we have assembled here in this beautiful auditorium to confer certificates to these lowly teachers. On behalf of MMRC faculty, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to all these participants who have completed successfully 3-month short-term English learning course. Believe me, during the training, we heard about their infused interest, hard working despite their heavy schedule. That really boosted our confidence and our spirit. Especially, these teachers have overwhelmed us by making tremendous diagram of tenses. Really, it was amazing. And these designs have stolen our heart and inspired us. Again, I congratulate these teachers for their big achievement. Here, I wrap up my talk. Thanking you all great people for paying heed to my humble words. Thank you, Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.